Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. And there's a lot in here. This is from Alexandra and Dolls, or Alexandra Doll World, I think she changed it to. It looks like she made, oh, wow. Look what all she sent, and she made all this. Oh, let's see, there's a note. Hello, my dear Dolly friend. I am sending to you some crochet stuff and one dress for Battat with hope you will like it. That is also one of my favorite crochet stuff with hope it will arrive this time. She had sent me something that never came. Wish you all the best and best regards to you and your family. Big hugs. Sincerely, Alexandra Dolly World. Yeah, she changed her name. And if you are not subscribed to her, you'll want to be. She sews and crochets for her dolls. I'm going to show you a sample. I'm going to show you these. She sent me some eye chips, and look at this little butterfly. It's on like a sticker. God, that's really cute. Oh, wait, there's another one too. Just for you. Okay. These are, I see these things on her channel. She makes beautiful items. She has several Blythe dolls, and she does their face-ups. Oh, look at this. A dress, a bag, a scarf, and earrings. Oh, my, 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 my. And this one, oh, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. Alexandra also does doll photography, and she lives in the most beautiful area. She has the most interesting backgrounds in Croatia, and that alone is worth seeing. Oh, look, this is a cute little dress. We're going to try some of these on. And let's open this one. Alexandra, I think, takes pictures every day of her Blythe dolls, and she's on Instagram. If you go to her channel, there's a link to her Instagram on her channel. Let me keep these bags together because I will store these when they're not being worn in there. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, look at these bags. And she does that around rings. Oh, that's so cute. And the little pearl beads. Look at this. Oh, for the arms. You know, that could be leggings. I don't know, but boy, that's cute. Oh. And more earrings. Oh, I really like that. Here's another dress. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. And it ties in the back. Oh, Daisy, you're going to have to try on some clothes. Daisy's still in her little outfit from Joni at Stop Motion Creation. I just love it. She's holding her little lizard. She has a lizard, an alligator, a little porpoise. She got those at the St. Louis Zoo. Oh, my girls look so beautiful. Thank you so much, Alexandra. I love this. One thing I have to show you that I really like, Alexandra makes her holes for the arms big enough that even these hands can go through without having to take them off. I really like each item, and I think my little girls look so cute. I put this on as a wrap, but she wanted to wear hers like a flapper headband. And you could also, let me pull this way. You could also wrap it this way and make, oh wait, that's upside down. Make the cutest little headband. Oh, Alexandra, thank you so much. What a treat. I will leave a link below for Alexandra's YouTube channel. Go by and take a look at the items and cute things that Alexandra makes for her beautiful Blythe dolls. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.